Imagine the horror. 3 teens wearing balaclavas, wielding baseball bats, knives, even guns, entering your bedroom in the dead of night. Recently, in my part of Paradise Gold Coast, Queensland, Australia, such an event happened. The couple with 2 young children confronted the youths with the result of the young mother being stabbed to death. What could they have done differently? What if it happened to you? Could you survive the intrusion? Here are 7 steps you need to know and remember. We all know that home invasions with violence are on the increase. Therefore, the likelihood of it happening to you are greater than ever before. Here are the 7 practical strategies for surviving a home invasion and protecting yourself and your loved ones. Number 1. Create a safety plan. Develop a safety plan with your family that outlines what to do in case of a home invasion. Assign specific roles to each family member, such as calling the police, finding a safe hiding spot, or escaping through a designated exit point. How to create a safety plan in detail. Hold a family meeting. Gather your family together in a calm and comfortable environment to discuss the importance of having a safety plan. Emphasize the need for everyone to work together to stay safe in case of an emergency. Identify potential risks. Discuss potential risks and scenarios that could lead to a home invasion. Consider factors such as unlocked doors or windows, unfamiliar individuals lurking around the neighborhood, or suspicious activity in the area. Designate roles and responsibilities. Assign specific roles and responsibilities to each family member based on their strengths and abilities. For example, designate one family member to call 911 or emergency services in case of a home invasion. Assign another family member to find a safe hiding spot for themselves and any younger children. Choose a family member who will be responsible for locking doors and windows or activating the home security system. Determine a family member who will be in charge of guiding everyone to a designated exit point if evacuation is necessary. Practice effective communication strategies with your family members to ensure everyone knows how to relay important information during a home invasion. Teach children how to use a phone to call for help and instruct them on what information to provide to emergency services. Identify safe zones within your home where family members can seek refuge during a home invasion. Safe zones should be located away from windows and doors, such as a reinforced closet or bathroom with a lock. Establish code words or signals that can be used to alert family members of danger without alarming potential intruders. Choose simple and easy to remember phrases that indicate the need to implement the safety plan immediately. Conduct regular drills with your family to practice executing the safety plan effectively. Simulate different scenarios, such as nighttime intrusions or unexpected visitors, to ensure everyone knows what to do in various situations. Regularly review and update your safety plan to account for any changes in your family dynamics or living situation. Revisit the plan often to reinforce key strategies and address any new concerns or risks that may arise. By following these steps and working together as a family, you can create a safety plan that enhances your preparedness and increases your chances of staying safe during a home invasion. Number 2. Stay calm and alert. In the event of a home invasion, it's crucial to remain calm and composed. Panic can cloud your judgment and hinder your ability to react effectively. Take deep breaths and focus on staying alert to your surroundings. Number 3. Secure your home. Take proactive measures to secure your home and deter potential intruders. Install sturdy locks on doors and windows. Use motion-activated lights to illuminate dark areas outside, and consider investing in a security system with cameras and alarms. Number 4. Trust your instincts. If you suspect that someone has entered your home, trust your instincts and take immediate action. Avoid confronting the intruder directly, as this could escalate the situation. Instead, focus on getting yourself and your family to safety. Number 5. Find a safe hiding spot. If you're unable to escape from your home, find a secure hiding spot where you can conceal yourself and your loved ones. Ideally, this spot should be out of the intruder's line of sight and easily defensible. Number 6. Call for help. If it's safe to do so, call 911 or your local emergency services to report the home invasion. Provide them with as much information as possible about the intruder's location and any weapons they may be carrying. Number 7. Defend yourself if necessary. As a last resort, be prepared to defend yourself and your family against the intruder. Use whatever means are available to protect yourself, whether it's a household object, pepper spray, or self-defense training. Seek support afterward. Surviving a home invasion can be a traumatic experience, and it's essential to seek support and counselling afterward. Reach out to friends, family, or a mental health professional who can offer guidance and assistance as you process the event. By following these strategies and staying prepared, you can increase your chances of surviving a home invasion and keeping yourself and your loved ones safe. Remember, knowledge is power, and taking proactive steps to safeguard your home can make all the difference in an emergency situation. Here's some real-life stories showing strategies and actions that individuals and families have taken to successfully survive home invasions. From quick thinking and resourcefulness to community support and self-defense, each account highlights the importance of preparedness, awareness, and resilience in the face of danger. Quick thinking and resourcefulness. In one real-life story, a family survived a home invasion by quickly barricading themselves in a secure room. With the intruders attempting to break in, the family used furniture to block the door and called emergency services. Their quick thinking and resourcefulness allowed them to stay safe until help arrived. Utilizing a home security system. In another instance, a homeowner thwarted a home invasion by activating their home security system. When intruders attempted to force entry into the home, the alarm system triggered, alerting the homeowner and scaring off the perpetrators. The robust security measures in place helped deter the invaders and protect the occupants. Community support and vigilance. In a community-oriented approach, neighbours banded together to prevent a home invasion. When suspicious individuals were spotted lurking around a neighbour's house, community members alerted each other and kept a watchful eye on the situation. Their vigilance and cooperation led to the apprehension of the potential intruders before any harm could be done. Self-defense and empowerment. In a particularly harrowing ordeal, a homeowner successfully defended themselves against intruders using self-defense techniques. Armed with knowledge gained from self-defense classes, the homeowner was able to protect themselves and their family until authorities arrived. Escape and evade. In a final example, a family managed to escape a home invasion by calmly exiting the premises and seeking help from neighbours. Sensing danger, the family quietly exited through a back door and made their way to a nearby residence where they called the police. In the face of a home invasion, remember, your safety and well-being are paramount. Stay calm, trust your instincts, and take decisive action to protect yourself and your loved ones. With the right mindset and preparedness, you can increase your chances of surviving a home invasion and emerging from the ordeal unharmed. Remember, staying alive is the goal. Before you go, are you ready to find your inner calm? Check out my meditation, hypnosis, and self-help book audios on audible.com. They're perfect for relaxation and personal growth. For more resources, visit my website, colorstory.com. Take a deep breath and let's dive in together. Click the link in the description to explore my audios now. Until next time, stay grounded. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks again for tuning in.